Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the top iOS editors I use, as well as some famous YouTubers use as well. So I'm going to be covering these specific threes, so I hope you guys do enjoy. Leave a like down below if you do. Also hit me up with the subscriptions, I need some more of those. I'm going to be trying to stick with these iOS tutorials, as well as maybe some Android tutorials and a random tutorial here and there for other platforms. Now I hope you guys do stick with me throughout the whole entire video. Watch through. I have many methods in the description, so check those as well. I have many tips and features. I have used all these editors, and my favorite one will be Untitled Chapter because it is a very particular one. It's a really special one. It does work for overlays, so if you guys are one of those iOS YouTubers or Android YouTubers or some sort of YouTuber, this does work with overlays, so you can put your stuff on it. It'll look really cool, really neat as well. You can use these editors to upload on YouTube, upload on Facebook, Twitter, all those cool stuff. So this will be for you guys. If you guys want some more tutorials about YouTube or about editors or how to get famous or how to get subscribers, views, any of that stuff, be sure to hit me up in the description or hit me up on Twitter, and I'll be sure and be happy to make some videos for you guys. With these quick announcements, let's get straight into the video guys. Hope you guys do enjoy. Coming in at number 3, Filemaker Pro. So this is a very unique video editor that is available on the App Store. So once you head inside it, this comes with a tutorial, also comes with a Pro version, which you guys can see. Here's one of my projects. It's one of those dank Mr. Krabs memes that everyone loves. These come with new transitions, the ability to add music, amazing text, and much more. So I hope you guys do get this one. I personally don't use this for my regular use, but I have seen it and I heard many great reviews about it because it is free. Now there is a Pro version, which if you guys want to purchase, here are the perks of it. Total cost will be $59.99, which actually really sucks, but again, this is just the perks, so you don't have to buy everything. So for the total, it will remove all the watermarks. You get the entire music collection that they have for you guys, sound effects, premium text, and more cool stuff. So that's what they want you to buy, but if you guys do not want that, you don't have to get the Pro. This is absolutely free, as well as totally up to you. Coming in at number 2, Imovie. But they have updated their stuff and it looks very good. The UI has changed in general and it does look very nice. So if we head into Imovie, you can see my other SpongeBob meme that I have been working on. This does work in landscape mode, but for this video I will be showing you guys in vertical mode. So basically, if you go here in settings, they have tons of settings for you guys. They have tons of filters and cool stuff like that. They also have fades and they have music just for you guys. You can also add your own music. So this does come completely free on the App Store. So if you get any iDevice, it does come with it. You can just simply install it. With this specific application, you are able to crop a video, put a picture inside a picture, add new filters, rotate the video. You can add audio fades and cool stuff like that. You can also import your own footage from a separate device, such as an SD card if you get the adapter. This does render in 60 frames per second, 1080p. And that's a really cool feature that many of these don't have, so that's a really good thing you guys can do. Also comes with a voiceover feature, so if you're one of those people who love doing voiceovers on gaming, you guys can do that as well. Live voiceovers, that's what it's good for. It's also good for uploading on YouTube and cool stuff like that. And alright guys, for number 1, QCut Pro. Now this is a paid version, but I have a method for you guys to get this free. You guys don't need to pay or anything, just click the link in the description that says QCut Pro, and you guys will watch my other video and that will show you how to get this free. On the App Store it is like around $5.99 last time I checked, I'm not sure, but this comes with plenty of features for you guys. So if I go ahead and make my own create movie, they have tons of cool stuff like HD, landscape, portrait mode. You can even have a background color, you can add your overlay. It's really cool guys. Once you head in, they'll give you tons of options to do a voiceover, add your own music, you can even draw, and all of the features that I mentioned in the other editors, it does come with this one. So this is like an all-in-one, very simple, very free, as long as you follow my method. Also, it does have slow motion, green screen, chroma key, and all those cool professional features. Now this is a really good editor for what it is. It's on mobile, so that's a really good thing. You can also add pictures, photos, text, and all that cool stuff. Now this is a brand new feature that just came out with QCut Pro. You are now allowed to render in 1080p 60 frames per second. That's a brand new feature that just came out, as well as some new animations you guys can use. That's basically it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Be sure to leave a fat like down below. Also, if you guys could install QCut Pro, that's very good. Leave a like on the video you guys just watched. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys want some more tutorials just like this one, be sure to let me know in the comments. Alright guys, hope you guys did enjoy. Peace.